So your email's not working, stuck on loading, can't receive or send any emails after the iOS 26 update? Don't worry, let me show you how you can fix this. So first you have to try the simple stuff, open the mail app and swipe down to refresh, but if it still doesn't load, force close the app then reopen it. Next, the thing you have to check, that is your internet. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular data is working. You can even turn on airplane mode. Then wait 30 seconds, then turn it back off. Because just to be sure your internet is fine. But if emails still doesn't work, just try by restart your iPhone. Just press volume up button and down button quickly, then press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Then you can now check some settings. From your settings app, go for apps, then mail, and from the accounts tab, check that your email account is listed there and that mail is toggled on. If needed, just remove your account and add it back in, often fixes syncing issues. But it's still no luck? Just from your settings again, go for general, then transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and select reset network settings. Don't worry, this will not erase anything important. And I'm sure any of this process will help you a lot. Hope this guide helped. Thanks for watching.